Known as a cold-blooded predators, crocodiles sometimes make friends with some other small animals. One of the animals that can live with the crocodiles is Dikkop, a bird that have crocodiles clean their mouth or parasites on the skin. Symbiotic relationship. Their friendship became even more close when the Dikkop couple tried to protect the crocodile's eggs from the monitor lizard. Dikkop are very gentle and extremely reckless. This species often mate and build nests in the ground, near the banks of the river and especially near the crocodile's nest. However, they are considered to be the bravest parents of birds, not only living near crocodile but also aggressiveness to protect their own nests. Let's watch the video to see what happened. Crocodile can attack anything. Besides, they are highly territorial. Anyone appears near its nest is considered an enemy. The Dikkop bird's nest near the crocodile is a big gamble. Or the crocodile will eat both, or their nest will be protected by the most ferocious animal in the swamp. However, the safety is only relatively sometimes. There are still those who dare to approach the crocodile territory. The monitor lizard found the mother crocodile was under the water. It immediately looked for a way to steal eggs. The animal quickly approached the crocodile nest, quickly dig for an egg and flee quickly before the mother crocodile returned. Monitor lizard is a fierce predator, equipped with terrifying attack weapons such as sharp teeth and claws, and a large tail. They can reach more than 1.5 meters in length. Their favorite food are owls, reptiles, cats, and eggs. The two nearby Dikkop birds discovered and prevent the monitor lizard from stealing eggs. The lizard is much bigger than Dikkop. A single bite is enough to make the bird die. This is recklessness act of the Dikkop. However, thanks to the courage, two birds were able to fight back the lizard. The lizard went to the Dikkop nest for revenge. The two big birds continued chasing away the lizard, but this time is a different story. The pair of birds bravely attacked the enemy, and yet they were shouting as an SOS signal so the crocodile could detect the thief and back to protect their nest. Hearing the sound, the mother crocodile quickly returned. The lizard quickly turned and fled. This time, the Dikkop also helped the crocodiles save the eggs. These birds often choose to lay their eggs near crocodile nests to keep their eggs safe. The crocodile will protect the eggs of the Dikkop bird, but they can't stay near the nest all the time. This creates the opportunity for sneaky thieves to come, and both the nests will also be in danger. Black bear is the smallest sized bear in South America, with the weight of an adult male range from 59 to 159 kg. The adult female is from 40 to 79 kg. The height of the male bears range from 1.4 to 2 meters, and that of the male is from 1.2 to 1.6 meter. The female had a thinner face and shaper face than the male. The black bear is the most common bear species in the North America, living most in Canada, except for the Glassland and Prince Edward Island, part of the United States and northern Mexico. A black bear was roaming in the forest when he saw a baby wolf alone. In the cold of winter, the bear will not easily ignore any food. Fortunately for the baby wolves, the wolf's herd found it dangerous and immediately returned. While they are only average sized bears and most of them live alone, except for mother bears, black bears are strong opponents of wolves. The powerful weapon of the black bear is long, sharp claws, so a single slap can take down a large deer. Besides, they have a sharp teeth that wolves have to be careful. As the black bear approached its cub closer, one of the wolves quickly rushed to protect the baby, but it was immediately chased by the bear. Then the wolf team chased the bear until it gave up the prey. What are your feelings when watching this? Leave your comment below and please watch my other video in here too. If you find the video interesting, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell button. Bye and see you in the next video.